How to stop receiving message requests on Facebook Messenger. So if you want to stop receiving message requests on Facebook Messenger, then first you need to open up your Messenger. After opening your Messenger, you need to go with the bottom right, which has that 3 horizontal lines, and then you need to go with settings. Now under settings, you need to scroll down, go with privacy and safety. Under that, you will have message delivery, and under message delivery, you will have an option of friends on Facebook. You need to tap on that and tap on don't receive request. Once you've selected don't receive request, then you won't receive any request. Or you can also go with the other option, which is others on Facebook or others on Messenger. Here also you need to select don't receive request and you won't receive any requests. That's it. That's how you can stop receiving message requests on Facebook Messenger. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.